Hello YouTubers. Today I'll show you how to lift your car using an auto lift. So take your lifting pads and just line it up against the pinch weld right here. And it's the same thing to all four sides. Like that. So I'm bringing Marcus in for a brake job because obviously my brakes failed. Like when I was coming home from work. Luckily it was able to stop. So wasn't sure. Like that. It's actually exactly the same. Uh, I'll see you when we're about to lift her up. Alrighty, so I was able to line it up with the pinch weld. So turn on your lift. So lift her up. Check to make sure it's on the pinch weld. Make sure that's on the pinch weld. Just make sure that your lift posts are touching the pinch weld, because the pinch weld is a very hard thing under the car. That one's on the pinch weld. That one is too. So we're good to lift her up. Wait, one more thing. I like to open my hood because I'm doing brakes. Because obviously, I think this wheel right here. If you look up close, no brake pads. No wonder I lost all brake pressure. You know, not bad for a little four banger. Alright. Let's go and raise her up even more. Always make sure that it's always on the safety. In this case, I'm having it like this so I can easily get to my wheels. So I can easily remove my wheels. Alright. This is it on how to put your car on an auto lift. So, thank you so much for watching this how-to video. Please comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. yeah, if you don't mind, share this with your friends. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.